to subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Alright, you what? The morning I calabash, you understand?
Listen to me. I need the meat. So what we are going to do? Me cook when you want, but me go cook in meat.
In a wish house. In a upper part. Fire!
One of the reasons I came to Jamaica, I want to find a wife to go back home. But I want to connect, you know.
My black brother, me have 2 big body girl around a man shop. We can go link later.
So you saying the nurse is good? She cook the food good?
You don't know what you talk about still.
Culture. Hear me I say.
I said I'm vital, man.
You see them things that you talk about? I'm gonna forgive you. Because I know say it go and come. You understand? It's like me tell us if you leave them go shop there and you think I do. The spirits them way you mix with them people, you know. It's not a righteous thing.
I'm not baby. Come on, sister, come here. Big things are going forward there. Rastafari, Selassie, Jah. I lay forward there. Natural thing, man. Natural mystic, man. You know, sister,
Me ready.
you ready?
Me ready. I don't them here go come on. Me ready
You know,
now.
so you better talk to Rasta, man.
Me no business where you want to talk to him and relax them. Come on.
Let me tell you this. African kill. When you again?
You see, you talking gibberish. You
Yeah.
talking. You cannot even
Oh,
come out
dear
your words.
boy.
You talking rubbish.
Dear boy.
Rubbish. Disgrace.
Man like you chopping up.